Pleasant Grove, you have a new listing coming live here within the next couple weeks. I'm standing in front of this home located in beautiful Pleasant Grove, awesome cul-de-sac. Let's go on and take a look. Awesome, we're gonna head on upstairs to the master bedroom. What I love about this home is that it has a laundry hookup on the main floor up here, so you don't have to walk down flights of stairs down to the basement and haul up heavy loads of laundry. Head on into the master suite. This has a large soaker tub, an amazing spacious walk-in shower, and awesome walk-in closet. What I love about this home is the insane open concept. When you walk in and you have access to your kitchen, your living room, and it's spacious. There's even room for a dining table. And once again, the views and the lighting in here is just fantastic. We're coming out here to this beautiful backyard. It's got the playground. It has that awesome tire bark that is softer on the feet and more fun for the kids to play in, less maintenance. We've got a nice concrete pad with the basketball hoop, and the grass is just green. One thing I love about Pleasant Grove is that there is a secondary water system, so your sprinklers are absolutely free for watering if you adhere to their watering schedule. Down here in the living area, we have a very large family room that's perfect for your theater and your get-togethers. There is also plenty of light that's still coming in through the windows. And so this home is just awesome and will not last long.